everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, and welcome back to Magical Menus. This is episode number 3 of Magical Menus, and I'm joined here by my sous chef, Callie Craig, who's currently drinking milk out of her bell cup. We are going to be using the Disney Princess Cookbook. Callie, can you show everybody what your apron looks like? So this is Callie's bell apron. These two were a gift from our friend Christy. Hey, Christy! For Callie's birthday when she turned 4. And I have my new Minnie Mouse apron on from our Disney World Haul in New York. Cute, right? Mickey. So we're going to be making the Miners Mini Muffins today with blueberries. And we wanted to show you what the ingredients were because we made these last week. They're actually right back here if you can see them. There's only 2 left. We made them last week with bananas and chocolate chips, and Callie loved them, right? So we're gonna try the recipe as is. So we're gonna show you the ingredients. You need 1 egg. You need Callie. But you need Callie, right?
I can go into the milk.
A cup of flour. You need 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You need, this is baking powder, teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You need some cinnamon, some salt. You need blueberries, obviously, and you need 1/2 cup of milk. So we're gonna get started. Callie is gonna grease all of the cups. Ew. Callie's gonna grease all of the muffin cups, which we need to get right now.
Yum.
We are gonna be making, I know cinnamon smells so good, mini muffins, because they're great for Callie's breakfast and for snacks, right? Callie, do you remember how to grease the cups? We're gonna use a little vegetable oil and some paper towel.
No.
Hey, did you wash your hands? Say be right back.
I will be right back. But
then
don't talk anything without me.
I won't. I'll just grease these muffin cups. Okay. Are you gonna grease up the cups?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So Callie's job, one of her jobs, is she's gotten very good at greasing up the muffin tin.
Actually, no.
Could you do a couple, please?
No.
How come? Well, do you know what happens if we don't grease the cups up? The food will stick inside. We don't want that. Maybe you could just do a few. Perfect. So Callie's gonna grease up the cups. I just preheated the oven to 375 degrees, and now we're gonna get to doing some mixing. Let me get our mixing cups. Okay, Callie, do you think the blueberry muffins are gonna be as good as the banana chocolate chip?
No.
You don't?
I think they're gonna be bad.
What? Why do you think that?
This one is all dirty.
That's okay. That's why you're doing it. I think these blueberry ones. Do you want a blueberry right now? All right, let me wash them. Drop them. Oh. Just a few, okay? So now that we're back, Callie is greasing up the muffin cups, the tins. She's also snacking on some blueberries, and we've just preheated the oven to 375, and we are ready to start mixing our ingredients. Are you ready, little Miss Minnie?
Blueberry.
Yes, blueberry. Okay.
Yes.
We are going to put a cup of flour. We're measuring out a cup of flour. Would you like to put this in the big bowl? you have to hang on to it. There we go. 1 cup of flour.
Sneaky.
Let's see, now we're gonna do the brown sugary shug. That's 1/2 cup. Good job. Good job hanging on. Can you tap the extra out inside? Yeah, there you go. That was better. Thank you. Let's see, what's next? Oh, Callie's favorite ingredient is next. What's your favorite ingredient? Cinnamon. She really likes the way it smells. This is just 1/4 of a teaspoon, but we're gonna do a big heaping one. You wanna put this in? Smells good, right? Do you wanna put this in, my love?
What's it?
I don't really like your tongue. It's kind of yucky. Are you holding this? Like if I let go, are you holding that? There you go. Okay, we gotta do some baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's this guy right here. That one. Good job.
I can put it.
All right. Okay, we're gonna level that off a little bit. All right, go ahead. Nice work, Baker ma'am. Oh, and we gotta do a little bit of salt. Oh, that's way too much. That would be very salty muffins. Ew. Nope, you gotta scoop it in. There you go. Yes, perfect. Fantastic. Okay. Whoa. Now, can you, if I give you a whisk, can you mix it up? Okay, ma'am.
Can I do this for a second?
Oh, maybe not with that. Here you go. Here's a little whiskey guy.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? Now, in a bigger bowl, we're going to use our mixer today, which you can see here in the corner. So we're going to add into here the liquid ingredients.
Can I watch you do it?
Of course you can watch me do it. Okay, so we're gonna add in here, we've already melted down our 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna do the egg. Do you want to crack the egg?
Yeah, I love to.
All right. Here, why don't you crack it into this?
Yeah, here.
I'll hold that. Nice. Good job, Cal.
I didn't do any cracks.
That was right. There were no crust on that. Really good job. Let me get you a paper towel. Here, you can use the blueberry ones. Amazing work.
It's super wet.
Well, that's because I washed the blueberries ahead of time. That was really good, that crack. I know you couldn't see it all the way, but that was pretty good. Okay, what else needs to go in here? Egg, milk, melted butter. So we need some milk.
I want some right now.
You want some milk right now?
Yeah.
Well, good thing we have a milk cup here for you. Milk, serving 2 purposes. Here you go, my sweet.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody has a little chocolate on their face. That's you, by the way. 1/2 cup.
Look, I can mix the flour.
You are really doing a great job. Okay, friends. Ready to go on a little road trip? Yeah, let's go. So now, as we have our liquid, we're gonna add 1/2 cup, gentle please, 1/2 cup of clean blueberries in, and we're gonna fold these in, which means that we are going to, stir them, spatula them very gently, right? All right, you try. That is very gentle, good work. Now, I need to get a scoop. Okay, going in the oven.
Now what do we do?
All right, those go in for 12 minutes.
Now what do we
This is the finished product. They smell so good. I was not that neat, as you can see here, but they smell amazing.